Hi there everyone, it's Misty here. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I have a deca painting update. Those flowers are way close. So I don't remember which update this is. I lost my place. Yeah, I don't have it written down anywhere. So but I'll have it in the title. So if you are new to me or new to this channel or new to this project, Emily from Emily and Max created a game board. You pick cards and those cards go correspond to different prompts, and then you pick products that correspond with those prompts. So let's talk about what I am rolling out, because I am rolling out a couple of things. This has been in the longest. This is my Wonderlust palette from Profusion. I pulled in two different cards. This was a queen, which is a random color generator, and I got an emerald and I used this one. I got another one that was about your favorite painter, and I just picked the one I'd been watching the longest, and that's Jessica Lee, and she hates blue, so I picked this one. My goal was to wear these 5 times each. I've gotten about 3 or 4 uses out of them. I'm gonna call it good. I can't wear green and blue eyeshadow all the time. I will say that my last look, and I'll insert a picture where I have the pretty blue glitter on, this is underneath it, and it's a really good shade. The mattes in here are okay, and the shimmers are good. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and call this done. Done. The next one is the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead. I pulled this in for a subscription box. This didn't get used at all this last month, so it weighs the exact same. The problem is I'm working on 2 glowy like primers, the Becca purple one and then this one, so it's hard to remember to rotate them. So yeah, so no progress on this, but my goal is to finish this one. I got a controversial brand or product, and I picked this. This is the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick. I think this is in doll parts. My goal is to use this 10 times. I've used it 4 so far. I actually really love this, but there it is. And last but not least, I got a card where you had to pick a product that was double-ended. I picked this. This is double-ended eyeshadow from L'Oreal that I didn't touch whatsoever. Yay me. Okay, so I'm going to pick up my Draw the Card app. We're going to draw 2 cards, and then we'll see what we get. 5 of diamonds. 6 of clubs. Let's pull up the game board real quick before my battery dies. Hopefully I have enough time. Deca painting. Five of diamonds. 2. Does that say pencil? Pencil. Okay. And then the 6 of clubs. Most recent purchase. Okay. A pencil and a most recent purchase. Okay, friends. Let me go find these products and I'll be right back. Okay, for a pencil, I am choosing this ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in Peach. I don't know what the name is of this, but I'm not going to roll these up because these are notorious for breaking or just falling out. So my goal is going to be to use this 5 times. And then for newest purchase would be the glitters that I showed you. So here are 5 of them. So this is the blue that I had on, and I'll insert the picture. So I have this pink, I have the silver, green, and this kind of corally shade. So my goal is going to be use each of these 4 one time by the next update. And I think that will be fantastic. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. This was quick, simple, down and dirty. Hopefully I'll have more progress next update. And yeah, let me know if you're participating in this. You can click the hashtag to find everybody else. All the information will be in the description box per usual. If you're interested in seeing my other videos in this playlist, you can just click the playlist on the end screen and that will be it. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.